How to log in XTB application on your mobile device or your tablets. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you want to get access to your XTB existing account, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the XTB application on your device, and once you get to the welcome screen of your XTB account, go ahead and enter your email address associated with XTB in the first field. Once you are done, head back to the next field and type in your correct password for your account. While typing in your password, make sure that you're typing in correct. Finally, click on Login. But if you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset instructions. But if you have your credentials correct, you can tap Login and you'll be signed in immediately. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, then you'll need to go ahead and complete that as well. Once you are done, you'll be logged in immediately. So there you have it. That is how you easily log into your XTB account using the XTB application on your mobile devices or your tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.